Hans, the Ramenator, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And it's Friday, and today I've got something from Mexico. I've got Nissin Mexico's Nissin Pasta UFO Camaron Fuego. So it says it's salsa habanero picante, so this should be pretty spicy. That's the idea. And yeah, sounds good. Notice I'm wearing a Nissin hat. This did not come from Nissin Mexico. It came from Nissin Germany, but it's the same logo, so I figured what the heck, right? And yeah. So, happy Friday, should it be Friday where you are. It's been an absolutely insane day. Here's what it looks like under the wraps. I'm not going to use the drain spout, I'm just going to use a strainer and do it up in a pot. Just makes it easier. Not going to boil it in a pot. Don't get all weird on me about that. But you've got your sachet, and you have your noodle block. And underneath you've got some, I don't know if you can see that, you got some vegetable matter down there. So basically I've got a pot of water, yeah, you can see that, and you steep these for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to drop it in, drop that on top, gonna push it down a little bit. And then slap a lid on it. And away to the races we go. So, what's going on with you guys? I made a change to the website today. I'm thinking, I don't know, if you're a person who likes to go to the website, I hope you are, because that is like the bulk of the work that I do is doing up and editing posts on there. What I did is I used to have it so you just had like a front page that had a whole list of like excerpts. So you go, oh, there's that one, that one, that one, that one. And originally the way it was here's an entire post, and then here's another entire post. And the idea was to make it so when you load the page, it would load faster. But I just figured it might be easier just to have everything, you know, it's like, do you want it to load faster? Or do you want it to be more content in your face? And I thought maybe the latter might be better. So let me know what you think of that. What else? Today there's two big things going on, one much bigger than the other. Down in Seattle this weekend is Seafair. That's where they have the hydroplane races. We tried doing that last year. It was kind of wacky, so we went to it. Nobody knew where our tickets were good for or something. I can't remember what the whole deal was. But we cut out of that early and then went to a Cuban. No, it wasn't Cuban. I can't remember. It was some kind of food joint. And kind of the draw to me of it was the fact that it was a nice day and we could eat outside. Oh my God, the yellow jackets were absolutely insane. So that wasn't happening. And then we went across the street. There was like a little convenience store. That place was freaking insane. I can't remember what the area was called, but it's an area of Seattle I'd never been to, and it was really neat. I liked it. The other one's in my hometown. Nose is bugging me still. The other one's in my hometown, Anacortes, and that's the Anacortes Arts Festival. It used to be called the Anacortes Arts and Crafts Festival, and a lot of people just ended up calling it Arts and Farts, and that's what I called it for the bulk of my life, I believe. And hoping I don't know how it'll work out if it does, but I really want to go up there and just basically like walk around downtown Anacortes and like laugh at all the fools that are just like being fools. I don't know, it's kind of fun. But yeah. And other than that, oh yeah, we're getting we got a complimentary carpet cleaning from our apartment place, so hopefully that all goes down smoothly. It should. No reason that it wouldn't. Yeah. There were 2 refrigerators out there, in right next to the playground. It's kind of funny because you always hear the whole thing. Oh, kids, you should never play with refrigerators. You can get stuck in there. Oh, which is true. I mean, I think so. I never played on, around, or in refrigerators when I was a youth, but I always heard that. And now they're gone. But it was funny. The way they were angled looked like they were going, yeah, I think we hit the jackpot, Lenny. Yeah, I think one of these kids is going to get in here. I'm so hungry. I want to eat a kid so bad. And what was the other one? Oh. Yeah, so our dog Otis. What time in the morning was it? So I'm out here doing my apartment laps like around maybe like 6 in the morning. My wife comes out. She's like barely awake. And I'm like, what did you say? What did you say? And she's like, Otis crapped on the floor in the bedroom. I'm like, no. So there was that. And then she's at work and I'm here hanging out with the kids. And all of a sudden I smell this horrendous smell. And I'm thinking like, oh, somebody's got a deuce. Time to change a diaper. So I did. And one of them had a deuce. But that smell did not go away. And then I like looked in our bedroom and Otis had done horrible, horrible things in there. So that was fun. Kind of adds more to the need, like, we need to get out of here and like go do something fun. But we'll see how that goes. Otis is an old dog, but he's also a stubborn dog. It's like yesterday I took him out, he wouldn't go. And it's like, dude, just go. And they'll get this look like, and just stare right at you, like stare through you. Like, I have nothing to say or do for or at you. Like, but yeah, he can be an absolute, let me just say, he can be an absolute piece of work. Yeah. So here's the seasoning sachet, a liquid base, and it did mention habanero, so I'm curious. They sent me plenty of these, so I could do a mukbang. I've already eaten too much today to do a mukbang. I mean, I could, and then like try to walk another 15,000 steps, but I'm just beat, man. Ooh, that smells spicy. Here, let's give you an eyeball into the happenings. Yeah. That smells spicy. I've got some good stuff to go with it too. Alright. So UFO usually is yakisoba, but this is less, I'm thinking going to be less of like a traditional yakisoba kind of flavor. I mean, habanero shrimp, that doesn't sound like your standard yakisoba. Alright, cheers. Mmm. Mmm. A little bit of heat to it. Oh, what do we got here? That looks interesting. What is that? Well, it's not jalapeno or habanero, that's for sure. There's a nice lemony hit to it. A bit of a shrimp flavor. Yeah, this is all right. I'm even gonna have another bite. I'm in the mood. I am very hungry today. That's the thing that still is tough. It's like when I used to get stressed out, I would just like immediately go for food, and that's like a really hard habit to break. All right. That is wonderful. All right, let's see how to. Wow, this new tripod's definitely something to get used to. Okay, let's see how this goes. Yeah, and I'm really sorry. I really got to change out the lighting in here because these bulbs are horrible. It's like, yeah, I just can't get with the way these bulbs work. But what can we do? What we got here? I believe, I do believe we have an egg. Oh, come on, egg. Yeah. Hang in there, egg. Don't go sliding all over the place. There's an egg there, and that's in honor of my wife's grandfather. He's a World War II vet, and one of his famous things he says, I guess, is put an egg on it. So I'm putting an egg on it. And here's some scramp. Oh wow, I got 4 scramp. 4 scramp. 4 Camaron. And this Camaron needs to be a little Camaroser. Ha. And a little bit of cheese. And I'm going to do something I rarely do. I am going to apply some extra heat to this. Not at this exact moment. Here's some spring onion. And something that I got. This is called here, you won't be able to see it that way, but Buffalo Classica hot sauce. And this stuff is super good. I love this stuff. But I'm not going to do it just yet. Give me a second. There we go. I just wanted to get that cheese a little bit melty. And put some of this sauce on here now. And I'm trying to think of the best spot to put it. Do something like this over here. kind of, I don't know about, whatever, it's good. I can already tell it's really good. And how about some red pepper? Looks good to me. Alright. Are you ready? Are you ready for the rotato and the action of love that it imparts to us all? Hey, Marios, come here. Marios. Oh, well. Well, Miles is on his tablet and stuff, but I'll say it for him. I hope you enjoy your weekend and enjoy your instant noodles every single day. Have a good one. Bye.